Today I'm going to show you how to put on your Rockin' Cushions bar stool cover on the IKEA Henriksdal bar stool. So here it is without a cover on it, and I really love these stools because they're super comfortable and I think they just fit everywhere, and best of all, they come in different sizes around the world. So wherever you're from, just message us or choose from our options when you go to buy a cover and let us know where you are so we can make the correct size. So here we have, this is Top Cell Navy in polyester, which is great for outdoor, but you can also use it indoor, and I'll just show you how to slip it on. Just like this. And this front part. And we do have this section that goes in between the back and the seat that velcros underneath the chair. So you just want to make sure that you stuff that down underneath. Almost there. Alright, and there you have it. That's how easy it is to transform your IKEA Henriksdal bar stool. And we have lots of really great designs, new fabrics. Like I said, please be sure to message us or email us if you have any questions or you need to know what size is available in your country. We make two different sizes, one for basically everywhere except America, and one for America, because American sizes are a little larger. So thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe to our channel for more updates, and I'll see you soon. Bye!